I've been holding it down. Flat screen in the living room, I see about 7. 12 bedrooms in the master, I'm sexing. My girl, long time in the morning, she break. What's up, YouTube? This your boy Mari, and I'm coming at you with another one. So yeah, man, the first 50 people that subscribe to this channel, I'm giving $20 to the first 50 people that subscribe to this channel. So make sure y'all click the like button, make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all comment, but the first 50 people is the people that's going to get their $20, man. I'm just relaxing, man, you know, breezing. My driver's driving, going our way to Chicago. But make sure y'all go subscribe right there. That little red thing down there that says subscribe, click that button right there. Click that button right there, man. The first 50 people gonna get $20, man. Cash App ready, okay? And this is your boy Mari. Thank you. Subscribe. Love y'all. So yeah, man, it's Vlogtober, man. What y'all doing for October? Halloween spirit. Get in the Halloween spirit, y'all. You know. Just got out of my meeting for a little personal stuff. Just got out of my meeting and stuff, man, so. Let's see what happens. Now I'll stop by and get me some lunch. Got me some Sprite, chips. Oh, and I got me a Italian beef sandwich. I mean, not Italian beef, a Philly steak sandwich. I hope I like it. I like Italian beef more than Philly steak and cheeses, but Philly steak and cheeses are good too, depending on who make them. These are barbecue kettle chips. I love kettle chips. So yeah, y'all, I got the sandwich now. They just called my name. It's talking about Marie. No, it's Mari. It's my first time having this sandwich, y'all. First time having this sandwich. You got your onions on there, your peppers, your meat, your cheese. Nice little hoagie roll. We're gonna see what it's about. We're gonna see what it's about, man. You know? Let's get it. Acting like Mo Mafia now. That steak is so tender and good. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Yeah, man. You know, a lot. This is my second meal. It's like 2 o'clock right now. I ate some McDonald's breakfast this morning. Sausage, egg, McMuffin, and a hash brown, me and Jess. So Jess went home. She had an appointment. I ain't never had this before. Royale. And it's okay. It's not bad. I've had better ones, but this ain't bad. I think the cheese could be different. The cheese definitely could be different. Tastes like white American or something. I like provolone on mine. Straight dude. I thought I was woman at first. Where's broke as hell? So yeah, y'all, it's pretty good, y'all. All in one place? Or no? They closed? Lights on here? Definitely get you full. And again, it's called royale. Go try it out if you're ever in Illinois. And Champaign. But I know y'all got things to do. I know I got stuff to do too. So I'm not gonna hold you guys too long. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I'm dropping that heat. As always, you know, make sure you subscribe, tell a friend. If you're new, welcome to the family, and support.